$200, you landed on her property.
No! She's in jail! I'm not gonna give money to a criminal!
That's not how you...
Daisy, why is your sister and Octavia blowing at each other?
You shut the up, Carmen! You're gonna talk after stealing my last railroad! I wish I was never born!
Me too! You think I wanted this?
Hi, what you all just witnessed is a phenomenon known as Family Game Night. Family Game Night plays an important role in the household dynamic, as studies have shown that families and friends participate in activities together, form closer bonds, and stronger relationships with each other. So try settling aside some time to play board games with your friends and family, and if they beat you, cut them out of your life forever.